I'm Philippe Van Belle. I'm the Chief Information and Technology Officer of AG Insurance. AG is from far the undisputed leader in the Belgian market.
Rocket Software is the best one to make replatforming and build an open platform. It's a key element for the competitivity of our company.
We wanted a future-proof evolutionary path, not only for the technology, but also for all the core systems we built the last 20 years.
We have launched ourselves to a replatforming program.
Rocket Software was the ideal partner. They offered us a technology which was very close from our starting position, but which also offered us a transition towards the futures with a lot of potential integration that we will need to build in a future-proof landscape.
The new platform with Rocket Software allows us, in fact, to mix the new development we do and our previous COBOL assets. The people working either in COBOL or new technologies wanted to be part of the journey. So it increased the retention, it has increased the commitment of all the development and infrastructure people to our IT department.
We've been able, with this large program, to decrease the total cost of ownership with 75%. These savings have enabled us to invest in the transformation portfolio of the business. So we've put AG in ideal conditions in terms of support, in terms of involvement of the business line, but also in terms of impact on all the other roadmaps that we have in our business plan. Would I recommend Rocket Software? Without any doubt, because the partnership we had with them and the quality of the technology itself was really up to expectations.